dkdynamics presents Smart Dustbin.
Hey guys, welcome back to the all new season of dkdynamics. So here I'm back with some more new and fantastic projects. So friends, as you know, I and Rob have come back with some more new projects. So friends, nowadays we are emphasizing more on the environmental pollution. We all are talking about pollution. But how to overcome this pollution? Is it possible to remove the factories? Is it possible to remove the vehicles from the road? Or is it possible to remove the plastic from our day-to-day life? I think it's not possible. So what's the solution? So friends, we can overcome this environmental pollution by managing the waste disposed domestically as well as industrially. So friends, we are encouraging to remove the environmental pollution by the use of dustbin. We should encourage our coming generation, school kids, as well as the school students and youngsters and teenagers to manage the waste by using the dustbin. So friends, here I have come with a unique project known as Smart Dustbin. Our main motive to make this Smart Dustbin is to teach the kids, school students, as well as our generation that how to manage the waste. Beside this Smart Dustbin is also going to teach them that how to segregate between the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So friends, our main focus is on the 3R: recycle, reuse and reduce. So friends, we have made this Smart Dustbin using very simple approach, and we are using no microcontroller, no programming, no Arduino, and no servo motor is used here. So friends, now I'm going to demonstrate you the working of this Smart Dustbin. So friends, here we have placed the ultrasonic module, and here as I take my hand towards it, the dustbin opens, and after some time it will automatically close. Now again, so friends, the components used in making this Smart Dustbin is 6-volt relay, resistance of 1 kilo ohm, transistor, voltage regulator IC, LEDs, and a DC motor from any toy, 9-volt battery, and here the ultrasonic module. Here we are going to fit this ultrasonic module in this. So friends, it is very easy to make this Smart Dustbin, and you can make it yourself by using some very easily available component. And for further models, we are going to use a play and record chip, which is going to say thank you to the kids who are using the dustbin and can give any message to the kids who are using the dustbin. And we are also going to fit automatic chocolate dispenser, which can give the chocolate to every kid who is using this dustbin. So friends, by using this Smart Dustbin, you can manage the waste easily, and you can create a clean space, and you can clean your city and surroundings. So friends, we are always promoting the innovation and encouraging the people who are having the various different ideas. So friends, if you are having some smart ideas, you can share them with me, and I will help you in implementing those ideas. So friends, for further details regarding this Smart Dustbin, you can log on to our website www.dkdynamics.com. and friends, please like and share our videos, and for more new and interesting videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.